Insert the GPS antenna and tighten the screws. Tear off the paper and stick the GPS antenna under the front windshield. Insert the camera input cable. Insert the low-pin USB cable. Insert the RCA cable. Find the 4-pin USB cable that plugs into the car stereo. Connect one end of the canvas to the cables. Plug in the black power plug. Plug in the radio adapter cable. If your original car has an AUX jack, you need to plug the AUXL or into the AUXIN or in the RCA harness. Find the canvas cable into the corresponding socket. We have two different model sizes of rear view adapters. You need to choose one according to the rear view connector of your original car. Connect the yellow video signal cable from the chosen adapter to the reversing video input line. If your original car with an amplifier, you need connect the ball amplifier control cable amp to amp connect of RCA harness. If no amplifier, no connection is required.